In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that location is off. To turn it on, tap on the same shortcut until it's blue. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down to look for Location section, and when you find it, tap on it. Then use the switcher next to Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!